Today we're going to make money using Creative Lab AI, the ultimate AI platform that replaces every AI tool. The world's first all-in-one AI platform instantly unlocks 300 plus powerful AI models under one dashboard. Look at the type of platforms it can replace and look at the number of features it has. I'm scrolling and I can't end scrolling. Now look at the features again. Now to make it short, let's go to the images. You can create videos from text. You can create videos from AI images. You can create different AI scenes. What? The tiger can fly like a dragon. And the shark can drop on your desk. One little kitten, one little deer, and one little puppy together becomes the third kind of puppy. Look at this. One cat and one dragon cat becomes an animated transforming dragon cat. What? 4K image generators, AI voiceovers, AI voice clone. This one is Elon Musk. I was looking for Donald Trump.
I actually rarely try to convince anyone to invest in Tesla. And many times I've recommended people don't invest in Tesla, and I've said our stock is too high.
Why do you not want us to invest in Tesla, my friend? Song generator, AI avatar headshot generator. What? AI face swapper, AI image to image generator. I mean, you can't stop scrolling. There are so many features that it's crazy, and the price is even crazier. The sales page itself gives you all the ideas what you can do with it. The features, the prices, comparison with other platforms. This is Yogesh, my brother from another mother. Together we made over $200,000 in sales. Now, okay, I don't really want to talk about this platform. This is crazy. My affiliate link to this platform will be in the description. I got review access. This is how the platform looks like from inside. You can see all these things: AI content generator, chatbot, prompt, DFI, like all those crazy features on the left-hand side. Subhanallah. My job is basically create a training for this platform customers. So I'm researching on how to potentially use this platform. Please tell me in the comment, what would you do with an AI platform? What would be your main goal from an AI platform, whether you buy it or not? What is in your mind? I will tell you what's in my mind. I want to make $500 per day. That's not a want, by the way. For me, it's a need. So whenever I look at something, I look for money. So I asked a simple question. So I went to ChatGPT. I asked a simple question. Give me a list of all the ways this product customers can make money from their purchase of the platform, and answer in a table. It gave me a complete set of money-making methods, its descriptions, why it works, $100 per day income potential, how beginner-friendly it is, and additional remarks. And I have total 17 ways to make money from this platform. 17 ways? You must be excited. Oh, Mosh, yeah, this is going to be huge. We're going to do a lot of beautiful things. This is a beautiful piece of software. We're going to make a lot of money together. Let's make our bank account great again. No, my friend, you are not Mr. President Donald Trump. You're not going to do anything with it. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content, and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. First of all, most of you will not even try this analysis and find out what is possible to do with this piece of software. So I went back to ChatGPT and asked, with so many features and benefits, give me the list of problems, challenges, limitations, disadvantages 9 to 5 hour beginner users might face to use it and earn from it. And here you go, the problems beginners might face and how to beat them. And subhanallah, I got 10 different problems. What? One software, one huge big software with 17 beautiful features gives you 10 big problems. Number 1, tool overload. There are too many AI tools. It's like opening a huge toolbox and not knowing what to use first. I actually did something better. I made this image using ChatGPT. Yes guys, I'm a basic AI user. I want to make money. So I use the basic ChatGPT, Claude, and that's it. I go and make money. The first thing I did, I made this image. And look at this. One guy sitting here with Aladdin's genie. Where's the genie here? The software. It can do everything like Aladdin's genie. Now the man doesn't know what he wants and the genie doesn't know what to do. The focus should not be in the tools. The focus should be in your goal. In our case, it's financial freedom. So forget about the tool and the tools, focus on the goal. The second problem, no clear plan. Do you have a plan what you're gonna do? No, that's a problem. Do you know that? Because tomorrow you bought it, the next day you'll think, let's try something, but you don't have a plan. So you basically open this platform like this and create a random image like I did. And then you think, what am I gonna do with this image? Because you don't have a plan. Not enough time. This is not true. You have at least 2 hours per day. Literally everyone has. Fear of selling, that's a totally different thing. Tech confusion, well, yada yada. So I went back and asking one question. Hello, hey ChatGPT, you are now overwhelming me. What is the top common problem in all the above methods? Top one common problem. And you know what answer I got? Let me zoom in. Lack of consistent action and focus. Well, Mosh, now you're confusing me. Let's make a deal.
The China deal is a very big deal. They wanted to make that deal very badly. And we have, at the same time, 150 countries that want to make a deal at a certain point.
Different levels, different problems. Donald Trump is stuck with 150 countries trying to make a deal, and we are stuck with 300 platforms in one place. We don't know what to do with it. And when I said one common problem is lack of consistent action and focus, my friend, you be like, what action exactly? And where do I focus? Focus on the goal, not on the tool. Mosh, I don't even have a goal. What goal? I want to make as much money as possible yesterday. Okay, listen, no matter whether you are making AI videos, designing social media graphics, writing blogs, selling voiceovers, or launching services on Fiverr, you need consistent, focused action. Okay. Don't worry, I've done the job for you. I said, hey, ChatGPT, come on. Don't confuse me again. What is the one must-have in order to succeed in all the 17 methods? And without this one thing, it's impossible to succeed in any of those methods. Now, ChatGPT says, great rephrasing. Now we are getting to the core truth. And it says, the one must-have to succeed in all 17 methods is an offer that people want to pay for. Did you notice what happened here? ChatGPT is clever. That's why I use ChatGPT. Look at this. It didn't say one thing. It actually said 3 things. Number 1 is an offer. Number 2, people. But not everyday people, is the people who can pay. If you don't have people who can pay, then you're not going to make any money, even if you have a killer offer. And people who can pay, all these 3 together makes you money. So although it's just one line, an offer that people want to pay for, there are actually 3 things altogether. And if you don't have these 3 things, this big platform with like 300 tools, everybody wants to make a deal, it's not gonna make you any money, my friend. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now ChatGPT went on explaining me what is an offer. A clear solution to someone's painful problem delivered in a way they understand and want. For example, if you say that I make videos, then it becomes just a tool that you can make videos. And it's boring, nobody wants to hear about it. But when you say, I help real estate agents get 3x more views on their property videos. Now look at this. You're giving results to the people who can pay. That is a real offer that sells. Again, another one. I do AI voiceovers. This is boring. It's just a tool. Everybody can do it and no one wants to hear about it. You'll find no buyer. But if you say, I turn boring YouTube video scripts into powerful voiceovers that sound human. Now you're solving a problem, this problem of people, the YouTuber or agency owners or business owners or video creators who have the money to pay for your service. That's a real offer. The third one, okay, you know what I mean. So then I said, help me craft an irresistible offer for one specific type of people who are ready to buy the offer and who can be found in one specific place. And the offer can be created, marketed, and sold and fulfilled and delivered by busy beginner 9-to-5 employees and business owners. Give me all the specifics of everything I mentioned here in a table. And yo, I got the whole thing right in front of me, every single thing. And I went on turning into a plug and play offer kit like DMs, landing page copy, email replies, everything done for you. I even created a 3-day launch plan to get your first client by this week. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family, because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.